Hi guys, today we'll be describing the volume profile for all accounts. It's a first of a script from series volume profile from all accounts. This series was created for users that do not have a paid profile. TradingView is limiting access to volume profile tools for paid plans. These scripts are using the public data, and well, they are only an estimations, but for most use cases they should be enough. To add that script to the chart, we're just picking indicators, writing down volume profile for all accounts. To see script details, we can click read more. Here we have script description and also boost icon. I'm recommending to boost all the scripts that are useful for you. If we pick volume profile script, then it will be added to chart. By default, it's analyzing last 500 bars, but we can change it in settings just by clicking the gearbox icon. So we can increase the limit to, for example, 5000 bars. Whole graph will disappear. Increase, for example, rows to 80, width to 300 bars. And well, the position is at the start, so now we would like to have it before the end. We can also move it after the graph just by picking at the end. We have also two suffixes for each of the position, and we can change the order in which the volume is presented. So the script is counting separately volume connected with moves up and down, so we can change the order of them drawing on the chart and to the opposite one. With the directions of volume, we have colors assigned. We can change them when we want, or enable the borders if it's better for us. We can also disable the counting separately direction of the volume and showing the values over the bars, because well, they are here normally. And that's all. Thank you, have a nice day, and good luck in trading.